Tom, look at the plane over there. Give me a tour of it, come on.
No.
No, this, huh?
No.
How you doing?
No.
Alright, Tom. Now, what happens if you pull that off while they're going up?
We're screwed. Is it on?
Yeah. So what happens, Tom?
I don't know.
And look, and there's the one they just came back on.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving here. Damn.
Tom, now give me a tour.
Come
Tom, Tom,
What do you want?
just show me it.
There's a plane. Here's a wheel. Here's the pedals. Here's something. Gas tank. Engine.
That tells the how high they are. And here you got the engine. Alright, Bomba, we're gonna go back and look at the other stuff.
Look, Eric, look. You mentioned that one. They look.
We're now in the chambers, Tom.
Are we?
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the first one here. Not a bad one. And here you got the button to just extra sheet just in case it doesn't come out. You got the little light.
Miles.
Alright, let's go to the second one, Bob.
Two-seater?
That's a one-seater. This is a two-seater covered up.
Two-seater.
Big engine in the back.
Painted over with something. Little bird doo-doo.
Alright, next
Did you
one.
get the bird doo-doo?
Next one, Bob. Over here. Right here, Bob.
That one? I forgot how much it cost.
About 18,000 new.
Look, Eric, look. You mentioned that one. They look.
1 RPM. There's 60 RPM per minute.
Look, Eric, look. You mentioned that one. They look.
This is the nicest one, Tom. The nicest one here. You like this one, Tom?
You mentioned that one. They look.
5 gallons of gas, which lasts about 2.5 hours. Alright, Bombo, last one here. This is a nice one.
You mentioned that one. They look.
Tom, look at the plane over there. Give me a tour of it, come on.
No.
No, this, huh?
No.
How you doing?
No.
Alright, Tom. Now, what happens if you pull that off while they're going up?
We're screwed. Is it on?
Yeah. So what happens, Tom?
I don't know.
And look.
Just initially, yeah.
What's he doing, Bomba?
Nothing. Tape on. To keep.
You keep mine. Tom, come on, I got a camera. This is worth more than your house. Stop. That's on.
No, it's not. Hold on.
There they come. Timer gonna be coming up soon.
It is on.
Damn jerk. What the hell are you guys doing? You're supposed to be going over the plane! And the keys